Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jody Scotter. Today I'm going to go through my bird album. I like to store my ATC cards, which are art trading cards, in little mini albums that hold one per page. Each card is 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. These cards are traded all over the world. And so I like to categorize them. I have many different categories, but this book is my bird book. So I hope you enjoy it as I flip through the pages. Let me know what you like to collect. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.